Every moment is a snapshot, just one picture in the photo album of life. Some moments are fleeting and unmemorable, while others define who and what we are. At Deerfield Community School, we live our mission, which is to create a supportive, welcoming culture that embraces individuality while championing the value of teamwork and friendship. Our goal is to provide the very best in academic instruction, emotional guidance, and social development for each child as they learn, grow, and experience life.
You need to try your hardest, and it doesn't matter how good you are at something or what level you are at something, but it really just depends on how hard you try.
Care for others and their opinions, and also to care about my work and how that comes first before everything else.
Most of the important things I've learned is probably being kind to one another. We're all one family, I guess, and all the teachers and everyone are close. So I've learned to grow as a person. I've been really close with all the teachers, and they've definitely helped me learn throughout my years here.
I've learned that even if you're not the best at academics or anything else, it's all about the community. It's about friends, helping people, and just learning.
Definitely I've learned how to learn. That's where you can apply it to anything.
With all of the different mandates and labels placed upon schools through federal and state accountability, large-scale testing garners the most attention, with zero evidence showing how these measures support student growth or learning. Despite all the initiatives, programs, and demands that our changing society has placed on educators, DCS faculty and staff remain committed to our mission. We see data as a snapshot in time, and we use it to align our curriculum, grow as instructional teams, focus our professional development in areas of need, and constantly improve our practice to best meet the needs of our students.
I've definitely grown a lot as a person. I used to be really shy when I was little, and now I've come out of my shell a lot, and I'm a lot more outgoing, and that's kind of given me a lot more opportunities.
I've definitely grown a lot. Last year, I wasn't getting the best of grades, and this year I've gotten a lot better grades and understanding a lot more. And also, I'm not as afraid to talk to adults as I was before.
If you just memorizing things all the time, that works. But then what happens when you get to don't know?
Not everyone's good at math, or not everyone's good at language arts. Everyone has a strong point and weakness, and you just gotta find that strong point.
Every student in the school wants to learn and wants to succeed with doing everything that they can by doing their best work.